Dear students, this slide about AC servo motors, construction and working, and circuit diagram, and few points regarding difference or comparison between DC servo and AC servo motors. First of all, these three-phase permanent magnet synchronous motors are actually AC servo motors, which are built-in brushless tacho and position encoder. As you can see, the rotor consists of the permanent magnets and stator contains three-phase winding on the stator. The speed of the rotor is equal to the rotational frequency of the magnetic field of the stator, which is regulated by the frequency converter. So, AC motors are gradually replacing DC servo motors because of their few advantages, which we can see in the next slide. The main reason that there is no commutator, that is, these are brushless motors, so therefore their maintenance is not required, and also they are smaller power to weight ratio and faster response also. So the connection you can diagram image you can see here, diagrammatic representation, how the magnetic field from the coils is created to get the AC current. So here you can see some comparison regarding DC servo and AC. So in case of DC, the power supply and control is only one current is measured, and it is easy also. Whereas in the AC, the control is at least two currents and capture of rotor position, like AC supply or DC supply related. Okay, and the second point, servo amplifier cost is low, whereas AC it is expensive. And as we saw here, brushless motors DCR, so with respect to that point, higher noise and wear of brushes and commutator, whereas in this AC, as brushless type motor, so that maintenance is free, or you can noiseless, you can say. Regarding brush life, as brush is present, it is low in case of DC and it is high. Heat dissipation over the rotor shaft, whereas in the AC, higher protection grade. Same way, few points are there, you can go through that regarding size and weight, expenses, and transformer necessary voltages, etc. are there. So the next the important the motor or feed drives, which is present in the CNC machine, is that stepping motor. So that is a device, is also a motor which works on the electrical pulses. With certain angle it operates. So it is a device which converts electrical pulses into discrete mechanical rotation motion of the motor shaft. This is the simplest device that can be applied to CNC machine, which converts digital data into actual displacement. In this, the stator has a winding of coils and the rotor has a permanent magnetic cylinder. The stator windings are inserted on the periphery of the yoke, and this is slide on the permanent magnet pole cylinder. In the diagram you can see here regarding the rotation of the magnet inside the yoke which energizes the pole. So as the name itself indicates, the motor which rotates in steps, stepping motor means it rotates in the steps. It is also a brushless DC motor. As it is said, it converts electrical signals into forms of pulses and further next in the mechanical motions or movements in steps. And also it rotates through a specific number of degrees for each input. Input is pulses. For each pulse you can say in the either direction, like say that degrees or angle may be normally say 2.5 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree, 15, 45, 90, etc. So further the classifications or types are also there, as a single stack variable reluctance type, as of course it is not mentioned here, multi-stack variable, and then permanent magnet stepper motor, etc. So about stepper motor, the diagram can be referred and the explanation regarding that, so that this much can be written, remembering regarding the stepping motor or step motor.